Hello friends, welcome to my channel Yen Kitty Ulagam. The puppy is back friends. Look at this. They are just grooming it. It's enjoying itself. Look at this puppy now. It wants to play with big lab dog. The puppy is not at all scared of this big lab dog. It just wants to go and have a conversation and wants to keep following it. So watch the video till the end to see how this little puppy wants to play and torture the big dog friends. Hope you all will enjoy seeing this. Thank you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all so that you get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you friends.